already on camera. You're already on camera, Jade.
This is a fire alarm 09 Santa Catalina.
You guys are poop. And you look like poop. Then out here in the cold, it's like, what time is it?
It's gonna be
12:41 a.m.
I got an 8 o'clock class.
Jay about to be real tired catching the 7:30 bus.
Don't play me. I'm about to wear this to class.
You about to wear? Oh, you about to be dumb bummy. She gotta brush her teeth.
I'm gonna wake up at 7:29
and run down to 7:30. You ain't gonna comb your hair?
Right with my scarf on. Doodoo mama.
Doodoo mama dad.
I don't remember it.
Oh, do your peekaboo dad.
Right next to the other butt. So it's like, you look pretty.
Poop.
I hate it.
Jade, you married who? Cat, you have a dad?
Do I have a dad?
Yes. Oh, the camera's shaking. Woo! Karate chop.
A little bit warmer though.
A little warmer?
A little bit.
I'm freezing.
I know, that's cold on your fingers. You know, there ain't nothing wrong
with a little bump grind.
My mind is swimming but my body is swimming. Cat, Bowen Hills.
Bowen Hills.
She forgot already. I forgot. She gonna say, we walk your shoes like you gotta do it every time I do it. So when we're old, my kids will be like, Mom, what?
Bowen Hills. You guys are max poop. No lie.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Oh, cat gotta pee. Number one, number two.
I hope Michaela got out because I so needed it. Not to pick up on her. You, that's not my roommate, whatever.
Alright, I think I'm gonna turn the camera
Oh,
off.
I remember last time